Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can customize any of the Notion templates that you download for your own personal use. I'm using the Intentionals goal setting dashboard here, and I'm just going to take you through different components of this template that are going to allow you to make it all nice and personalized for yourself. So first we're going to start with this banner up here, the cover. This is an image that I created using Canva. I selected the Facebook banner template in Canva and then downloaded it to upload it here. There are a few different ways that you can customize this section, and if you just hover over, you can click change cover. Here you can select colors, you can select images that are already pre-filtered in here. You can click on splash and type in a keyword based on what that page is about to customize it with an image, or you can click upload. So when I've created my cover in Canva, I've saved that to my computer and then I've uploaded that here. So that's how you can create your own covers, as well as the icon. So if you click the icon, you can either have an icon or not, but clicking this here will allow you to either use it as an emoji. There's built-in icons yourself. I love to use Notion icon, so notionicon.co. And what I'll do is I'll select an icon from that, and then I just click copy and then paste the link here, and it will upload for me. They're just real simplistic, minimalist icons, which I love. Okay, so that's the section there, which you can add to any of the pages that you're using. What else I want to show you is, see how I've got these highlighted text here. So to customize text, what you want to do is you just run your cursor over it. You can click text and change to different heading sizes here. You can bold it, you can italicize it, you can underline it, or over here where you've got the color section, if you click that, you can either default to a particular color of text, or you can change the background color. It just kind of helps separate and stands out words that you've got on your page. Or you can just keep it completely plain like you can see there. What I want to show you next is how to customize columns, sections of any templates or databases that you've got, and show you how you can adjust it to suit your own needs. What you notice when you download templates is that I already have some of my own personal content in there, and the purpose for that is just to give you a really good picture of what it actually looks like when it's in use. If I just sent you a template that was empty, it doesn't help inspire you to know how to add, change, or create content. So the purpose of that is so that you've got examples, and then you can delete, edit, or change whatever it is that you decide. Let's go into the specific pages to make some changes. So let's go into the goals. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you the different ways that you can look at your layout. So as you can see, I've got a category view here. If you click the three dots up here next to new, you can change your layout to have it as a table, a board, a gallery, a list. So here I've got a list view, which is just a brain dump of all of my goals. Then I've got it in categories, which I love. And then I've got a 90-day view, which is breaking it up into the quarters of the year. If we go to category view, for the sake of this example, you can see here I've got different categories, and you can change them. So actually, let's go to this page. It might be easier to show you a few different things at once. So you can see up here, I've got table headings for each of the columns. These can be customized and changed based on your own needs. So basically, if you want categories, you can click the heading. If you wanted to change the column, you can change the name of it in this top box there. You can also change what type of column it is. So I've obviously got multi-select, but if you want to change it to a one selection, if you want it to be a text, if you want it to be a checkbox, you can do all of that here. And then also if we go to edit properties, so I have pre-selected and set up options here. If you wanted to, say, change the wording of one of the options that I've got in the template, you would just click the arrow and then change the name up here. So if you wanted to change it from finance to money, you could do that. And then that is going to change in the categories. Just going to change that back. If you wanted to delete it, you could delete. And then if you want to change the color of that category, you can do that also. If there's certain columns that you wish to hide from it, so it might be important columns that you want to add in when you're entering an entry, but you don't want it showing on that full page, you just click hide in view. So there might be some, I don't know, let's do this tick off. I'm going to hide in view. So that's now not showing in the column. If I then go up to these three dots again, you can see, oops, sorry, not that section there. If you click here, you can see any of the columns that are hidden in the table. So there might, if you had 5 columns hidden, it would be listed there, and you can turn on and off whether they're shown in the table or not. Okay, so that is that. And then I'm also going to go to the daily habits tracker. Here you can see each of the columns. I have got my own daily habit that I want to stick to. For example, if you want to add more daily habits, you would just come across to the next column and click the cross button. And then you would add in another habit. So let's say, let's just type habit example. Oh, can't spell today. And you want to click to add. What I've currently got, as you can see, is this is, it's defaulted to text. So what you want to do is, while you're entering that add in, so I have decided to use this as a checkbox so I could check it off each day. So we're going to change that to checkbox. And there you can see that it's coming up there. For you, when you've downloaded this template, if you want to change what I've already written, just click on the heading and just type over the top of what I've already done if you're happy with that amount of columns. If you want to delete a column, just click that heading again, and you can click delete property. So that is a really brief summary of how you can customize your templates when you download them in your Notion. So it really personalizes the experience and the user experience for you. And it keeps you inspired and engaged in the work that you're doing. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any comments, please just reach out and I'm more than happy to help.